Is trading on a prop firm account a better idea than trading your own personal account? In this video, I will share with you all my opinion. Alright, so let's get right to it. Prop firm trading or trading on your own personal account? What's my opinion? Before I jump in sharing you my opinion, please let me know down below in the comment section, are you guys trading on a prop firm account right now, or are you guys trading on your own personal account? I really want to know, because like this I'm gonna be able to create some new future videos that's gonna be on these specific topics. Okay, so please let me know down below whether you are trading on a prop firm account right now, or if you are trading your own personal account. Now let's get right into it. To be honest with you, there is pros and cons for both. Okay, I'm not gonna say trading on a prop firm account is the best idea and all be all, because that's not the case. And I'm not gonna say that trading your own personal funds is the best idea, but because again, there's pros and cons. So now let me get right into it. For prop firm trading, a major pro is that with a small amount of, let's say, $500, you can purchase a 100K challenge. And then if you are skillful enough, if you have a fixed trading plan, a fixed risk management plan, a decent strategy, you can then be able to pass these challenges and trade a live 100K account with an investment of $500. And for me, this is a no-brainer. Like, it's a very, very cool idea, and I know a lot of people manage to get these live funded accounts and trade successfully on them, which I'm very, very happy about. Okay, so it is definitely possible, and this is a major pro for prop firm accounts, because if, let's say, you don't have thousands of dollars to invest in your own personal account and trade it comfortably, but let's say you have $500, $200 that you are willing to risk, and it's okay if you lose it, taking a prop firm challenge like this one could then help you get to your next level in your trading. Okay, because then if you manage to stay consistent, get consistent payouts, you can then build your own personal account on the side, which is lovely. Okay, as a con for prop firm accounts, I would say the rules. Okay, the rules are definitely a con, a downside, but of course we all need to understand that it is normal for them to have these rules, because otherwise people would over leverage like crazy and their accounts would have been at a major risk of being breached, fully breached. Okay, I'm not talking about 5%, 10% loss. No, I'm talking about 100% loss if there were no daily drawdown limits and no max loss limits. And to be honest, it's a con and a pro in the same time, because it kind of disciplines you. Okay, it kind of disciplines you in a way that you know that, okay, I need to trade, but I need to have a super strict risk management. Otherwise, no matter how okay my strategy works, I wouldn't be able to stay consistent on a prop firm account. So for some people, this might be a downside. The rules might be a downside, of course, but for some people, these rules might discipline them, which, in my opinion, is a great part as well. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day, or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals, and this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. That can also be a con. I'm not sure if you guys understand. If I'm losing you, please let me know down below, but I'm pretty sure you understand what I mean. This could be a con, okay, because you have these rules, you need to stay within the rules, and of course a con would be that the challenge isn't easy to pass. Okay, trust me, the challenge is not easy to pass. 98% of or 99% of the people that buy these challenges fail. Only 1% of these people manage to actually pass the challenges successfully. Okay, so it is not easy to pass a prop firm challenge. Okay, now let me tell you some pros for personal account. Okay, for your own personal account. Being a personal account means that you won't have any restrictions, which is a major pro. You can trade however you want, whenever you want. You can hold trades over the weekend. I know some prop firms that do not allow trades over the weekend, which could be a downside for some people that, let's say, are swing trading. You can also trade during news, which, of course, to be honest, personally, I do not recommend doing that at all. Okay, but if you want to, and if it's working for you, then sure, go ahead. And this could also be a pro for you, because on some prop firm accounts, on FTMO for example, you won't be able to trade during high impact news events. Okay, and overall it's more flexible. You know, being your own account, you don't have targets, you don't have limits. uh it's a lot more, how can I say, it's a lot more easy to comprehend. Whereas a prop firm challenge, from the moment you started working with that prop firm, you know you have a target, you know you have a deadline, and you know you have a max daily loss and a max loss overall. Okay, so it's a lot more strict than trading your own personal account, which again, in my opinion, could be a very good thing. Okay, because it could discipline you. Okay, so this is, of course, by far the biggest pro for personal account trading, that you can do whatever you want, whenever you want. You can trade whatever you want, whenever you want. You don't have any limits, any targets. It's literally up to you. Okay, so now to conclude, because I don't want to make this video too long. In my opinion, if, let's say, you just started trading, you already have a decent strategy that you know works pretty good, you have an edge on the market, you also have a solid trading plan, you have a solid risk management, you are a decent trader now. You are a trader that could be consistent. Okay, you need to ask yourself, do I have the capital to invest a certain amount in a trading account and be comfortable losing it? Because let's say you are comfortable with depositing 5K or 3K or 6K in your own trading account to trade that account conservatively and grow it over time, and be comfortable if, let's say, you lose it for some reason, then you should, in my opinion, trade a personal account, because having a 5K account, that's a pretty good amount. Okay, risking, let's say, 3% per transaction, per trade, you would be probably able to make around 20-25% a month, which is a really good growth. So if you are comfortable with that, if you have the funds, then I think it could be the best to trade a personal account, because it's a lot easier to comprehend. But let's say you are a decent trader, you have all you have all the things in order. You have a good strategy, a good edge on the market, a good trading plan, a good risk management. But let's say you don't have the enough capital, which is totally fine. Yes, you might have 6K, but you might be afraid to lose it. And if that's the case, you might be comfortable with depositing, let's say, $500 or $1,000 on your personal account, which is okay. But in my opinion, this is where I wanted to get. In my opinion, instead of having a $500 personal account, I think it could be a lot better for you, and this could have a lot more potential if, let's say, you go for that 100K challenge. Okay, I'm not affiliated with any prop firms. Okay, I'm just literally giving you guys my personal opinion. Now you can do whatever you want with it, of course, because I'm not a financial advisor. So just make sure you do what's the best for you. Okay, just think about it really clear, and then just go for it. Either way, both are good. Okay, there's no better one and all be all. Both are good. You just need to ask yourself. Me personally, in my opinion, if, let's say, you don't have 5, 3, 4K to deposit on your trading account and be comfortable trading it without having the fear of losing that account, okay, without depending on that money, then to be honest, it would be better to go for a prop firm challenge. You know, with $500, I think you can buy 100K challenges on all prop firms. It's pretty much the same price. And then if you are skillful, if you are disciplined, if you are strict to your plan, and you manage to pass the both phases, you then be able to trade a 100K live account, and being able to make 6-7% on a 100K funded account. Trust me, you'll be able to grow your own personal account on the side as well with a investment of $500. And remember, if you manage to pass both phases and then trade the live account, on your first payout you will receive the fee as well that you paid. So you basically didn't pay anything if you of course manage to pass the challenge and then receive a payout. Okay, so yeah, to be honest, that's my personal opinion. If you have the funds, then of course go ahead, trade your own personal account. It's gonna be easier. You can trade whenever you want. You can swing trade whenever you want. You can hold trades over the weekend. You don't have to worry about news. But if, let's say, you don't have the capital, in my opinion, I think prop firms are really the go-to. But now, as I said, at the end of the day, it is totally up to you. I just wanted to make this video to help somebody. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Please let me know down below if there's any question regarding anything. And make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on future content like this. And as always, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.